in mortar and pound it. For it helps. Now pounding helps with easier and faster dissolution yeah, of your salicylic acid. I think it's not bad. I think it's kind of properly grounded. So I'm bringing back my scale this time around to measure my sodium lactate. Now in that recipe, we're measuring sodium lactate at 4%. This is our sodium lactate. We're measuring it at 4%, right? Okay, that's it. You can go a bit higher. You can make it 50% with your glycerin. Okay, now I'm not going to use a synthetic humectant. I just brought it in for show. So I'm going to use, so basically now this dissolution of your salicylic acid is in all natural humectants. Do you understand? It's in all natural humectants. So tearing it and not tearing. Okay, so we just tear now. So glycerin is going in at 6%, right? That's about 6 grams in our 100 grams solution. Cool? Yeah. So this is it here. We have this here, and then we're going to keep the scale aside. Let me switch it off so that I can save my battery. Yeah, so I can secure my battery life. So this is it here. So I'm just going to add it. It's a very simple procedure. Very, very simple. Very simple procedure. Now it's going to end up looking very clear at the end of the day after some, well, I'll record, so I'll not tell you how many hours or how many days it took. Now what's the time? Now is here in Nigeria is 10:15 p.m. and today is Wednesday. Yeah, so I'm going to record it, so the day it finally clears, I'll let you know, so that you'll be able to do this ahead of time. You understand? You don't have to be in a hurry. Like can be to this 1% salicylic acid solution in water. Let me use this stick to mix. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look for a plastic bag and put it inside. Although nothing here is volatile. Yeah, nothing here is going to evaporate. But just to preserve it from dirt, having dirt in it. And as I told you, I'm based here in Port Harcourt, so we have something called black soot. It's kind of a very thick, dark dust that can just settle into anything and everything without your control. So that's it here. This is what I have. So I'm going to use a plastic bag now to cover. That's it. Let me do that right away so that you could see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I have my plastic bag here right now. I'm just using this kind of plastic bag. But then if you are in a hurry, you cannot wait. no problem. You could adopt the double boiler method for it to dissolve. After all, none of the ingredients here are sensitive to heat. So per se, yeah, at least there's a level of heat. It could be sensitive to the as it is. It's not sensitive to heat above what you can actually give it. It will dissolve. So I'll put it inside my plastic bag and I'm going to set it aside. When it dissolves, now when it dissolves completely, it's going to become clear. You're not going to see the traces of your salicylic acid. Okay, so this is after 2 days. That is after 48 hours. Finally, this is what my salicylic acid looks like. Can you see? Well dissolved, no crystallization. Can you see? Well dissolved, no crystallization. But if you can't wait for 2 days, no problem. You could actually just involve the double boiler method. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed. Like my video, share my video. Thank you so much and see you in another video. Bye.